guys, look closely.
See, it goes to sleep.
Goes to sleep. When you touch it, it goes to sleep. Amazing. Hey guys, well, it's here again from myislandjamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have done a couple of herb tours. You have seen them. There are links in the description. Well, this is the ultimate herb tour. I'm in St. Ann. I just did a tour with Mr. Lascelle on his farm. Amazing stuff. I'm going to share that with you right now. This though is just one of the many videos I do capturing what I call the real Jamaica. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, join us. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. So I'm at the Taste of Jamaica Tour, and this is Mr. Broderick.
Lascelle's for short.
Lascelle for short.
Everyone said Lascelle's.
Alright, so Lascelle is going to take us on a little tour, what he called the Taste of Jamaica Tour. What are you going to show us first, sir?
No, this tour includes a lot of medicinal herbs. Yeah, we specialize in medicinal herbs, but we also have all the types of provision that we use in Jamaica. Yams,
Excellent.
potatoes, bananas,
Excellent.
sugar cane.
Excellent. That's the sugar cane here.
Yes.
Already. So let's start with this one.
This is the red stripe sugar cane. These are the domestic sugar cane. We don't use these to make sugar.
Yeah.
This is what we munch on.
Okay. So
Yes.
what do you call it?
It's a red stripe. You
Red
can
stripe.
see it. Yes.
Red stripe. Oh, can I see you have
Yes.
you provide some information here?
Right.
So what is it?
This is just to enlighten you for those who don't know.
Who don't know what the benefits of sugar cane is.
Yes.
You said it helps to cure
it's-
common cold and infection, fight fever, boost.
Yes, it's
Boost.
rich in
All kind of
antioxidants, you know.
Okay, good.
Sugar cane.
Right.
Very good.
Bet you didn't know that, guys. Good old Jamaican sugar cane. All right, what's next?
No, this is a very famous plant you see here, and they grow all around. Because wherever you see them, that's where they grow naturally. And this is called the blue vervain.
All right.
Blue vervain, which is used extensively during the COVID time.
I know
Yes.
about that. I know about that.
Yes.
A lot of persons
Yes,
have asked me for this.
the blue vervain.
Blue vervine.
Yes.
This is a little blossom here, guys.
Yes. Right.
Yes, a little
You
blossom.
can see here.
Little blossom here.
Right.
Beautiful.
And this plant, it grows all over as well. That's called Chanca Piedra.
Chanca Piedra.
Yes, Chanca Piedra. And this is excellent for removing kidney stone.
Ah,
Yes,
all right.
yes, that's
Excellent,
what
excellent.
it's
All right.
used for.
I see more vervine over here.
Yes,
All right, you have this stuff growing wild here. That's good. That's
Yes.
good. That's good.
they grow all around. Now, this is what you will see all around as well. This is the
You want me to guess?
yes, guess.
Sorrel, man. That's an easy one, man. It shouldn't be. It's not sorrel.
But what kind of sorrel this is?
I don't know.
See,
All
this
right.
is not the regular one that you're used to.
Yeah.
This is the white one.
Ah.
Yes,
All
see?
right.
The lady knows.
Excellent.
Yes, and this is coming in right for Christmas. You can see they start to flower now.
Yes.
Yes,
Perfect.
so they will be ready.
White sorrel, guys. White sorrel.
Ready for Christmas.
All right. No, white sorrel.
The taste is very unique.
Yeah.
It's not red like the usually red ones. It has a more pinkish look.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
a more-
I assume the
but it's
same
yes,
powerful health benefits.
Yes.
Okay.
Same benefits.
Yeah.
Only the difference with the color.
Okay. Cool. White sorrel.
Yes.
Cool.
And you'll see them all over.
All over. Good.
Yes. This is the same species as the sorrel. They're both hibiscus. Yes, both hibiscus. So when you hear they talk about hibiscus drink, it's the same flower
Okay.
from the sorrel.
All right.
Yeah, but
But we call it.
this is hibiscus.
Yeah, I think we call it shoe black.
Shoe black, yes.
Shoe black. Guys.
Shoe black is.
All right. Why do you
one
know
look
this
at
as
me.
guys? Share a comment
Shoe
below.
black.
Shoe black.
But
below. Yes.
it's hibiscus.
It's a hibiscus.
Yes. So it's
a type of hibiscus at least.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Same family as the sorrel.
Yes, I understand that we use it to make. It can be used to make tea as well, even though we use it mostly for decorate, for ornamentation.
We also use it as a tea blend.
Ah.
So you come
And this is the
here.
flowers of the hibiscus.
Yes.
Beautiful, guys. Beautiful.
Yes.
What you got here?
Oh, well, over here now you're going to be seeing a lot of different medicinal herbs. Starting with this one here. This one, a lot of people may see this growing in different places, but they don't really know the medicinal use of it. This is called the strongback root.
That's strongback?
Strongback root.
Oh, root. Because I know
Yes.
about, well, I know of strongback.
Well, we'll show you the other one.
Oh, okay.
The leaf one. But this one is strongback root. So we grow this for the root.
Ah.
No, this has a yellow root. It's yellow, just like you would say turmeric, or, you know, like that.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Okay.
Yeah, so the root is what is used. And you can see here, you can put up close, you can see all the use. It's called the Jamaican Viagra.
It is called Jamaican Viagra.
It's Morinda Royak, that's the Latin name.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, guys, and impressive display here, Mr. Broderick. What's your first name again? Lascelle. He has all the health benefits and stuff for all the plants readily available here.
This is a popular one as well, the Guinea Hen.
Yeah.
So everyone would know about the Guinea Hen.
Yes.
That's Anamu.
Yes.
That's the Latin term, Anamu.
Yes.
Guinea Hen.
Anamu, yes.
And this also has been used for various purposes.
Yeah.
But one of the main things it is used for is for the prostate. Yes.
Okay.
It's good. Yes.
So it's good for men.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Only men have prostate, right? Women.
Yes. No, women don't.
Okay.
Women,
All right.
Women
All right,
don't.
guys, don't laugh at me. I honestly didn't know. All right.
And then this one is the Devil's Horsewhip.
Them something here, Mr. Lascelle, man. That's something we cut out of our yard and throw it, man.
Right.
But you're giving me a different side to it now. It's
exactly.
all the health benefits. This is wonderful.
Assurances aspera. That's what it is called in Latin.
Devil's Horsewhip.
Yes.
Wow.
And see, that's a medicinal it's used to treat dropsy.
Dropsy, rheumatism, stomach problem, cholera, skin disease, rabies, snake bite, hemorrhoid, powerful laxative. And by the way, guys, I need to come back to the Guinea Hen here. It's right side here. It says, you talk about the prostate, but it's also good for candida, yeast infection, urinary tract infection, pain reliever, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-tumor, antiviral, boost the immune system. I know about that. A lot of people ask for that too.
This is used locally, you know, to make several medicines.
Yes.
Yes.
That's the old Guinea Hen, guys. Old time Guinea Hen.
In Kingston.
Same thing my grandmother used to use.
What's that place? They use a lot of Guinea Hen.
All right.
Yes. No, this one is for men as well, you know, because but this is used a lot by women.
Yes.
And this is the dog blood.
Yes.
I know most when we know about the dog blood herb. Yes.
Dog blood.
It's
popular.
Rivina Humilis. That's the
all right
term.
Yes. And
so wherever you go and Rivina Humilis, that's the name.
Okay.
You might not hear dog blood, you might hear some other name.
Yeah.
But that's the one common name.
Yes.
Yes. And this is used
menstrual issues.
For the ovaries and so forth. You know, you have black tube.
Yes.
This is what they do.
So let me ask you, how do you, most of these you dry, right?
Yes.
You dry and make it in teas or?
Sometimes we make tea or it's exported as is.
No, but how do they use, how the end person use
it has to be boiled.
Okay, and drink?
Yes.
Oh, it can rub on skin as well. What about like this one here? This one here is like the Horsewhip. Obviously you have to dry it and boil it. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's a drink usually.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Most of them are
good. If you're finding this interesting, please go ahead and like the video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. Thank you.
We have one herb that is good for rubbing on the skin, you know, just as this one. This one. This is
Let
good.
me guess. Guaco.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
I'm not somebody, no, man. I know about that.
Right.
I know about
This
that.
one. But what about this one? Do you know this one?
Not scratch bush that, man.
The nettle. That's nettle.
Oh, nettle. Oh,
yes.
isn't that the one that scratch?
Yes, it's scratched.
Oh, okay.
But this is the running one.
Okay.
Yes. You see?
This one bite you, literally bite you.
Yes,
Scratch
man.
you, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. You have to be
touch
careful with it.
Yes, you have to.
Okay. So it's a nettle.
Yes, there are several different types of nettle.
Uh-huh.
So you have another one here,
Mm-hmm.
and you have a tree one grows just like that tree.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it looks. You will see the looks on it,
Mm-hmm.
so you know it's definitely
A little bit different.
right.
Okay.
But you have different type of nettle.
All right. Now this one you said is, it may reduce inflammation, hay
Yes.
fever symptoms, blood pressure, and all them stuff. All right. Good.
Right.
What you have here now?
No, there's another Vervain, which is the European one. But it is a much smaller. The leaves more tiny, not like but it still has a little flower. But it's what is the European.
So where is that? Where is it?
Yeah, this one.
Where is it?
This one under here. It's
Oh.
covered down.
Oh, and I see that. Oh, hold it up again. Let me see.
Come on, catch this one.
Okay, that one. All right. Okay, cool. That's
This
the Europe.
this is European. This is the
original
regular-
blue Vervine.
yeah,
Yes, I recognize that.
the
More
original
blue Vervine, more blue Vervine.
one.
All right.
Spirit weed.
Oh, I don't sure if we mentioned it before, guys. The blue Vervine, as you see here, used to treat wounds, burns, inflammation, digestion, respiratory issues, hypertension.
That's why it's used during the COVID for respiratory
Yeah, man,
issues.
it was a hot bread in
yeah,
COVID.
Yeah, yes.
All right. Spirit weed.
Yes. It's
I
the
tell you,
spirit.
this is, to be honest with you, I ran into this on another herb tour I did, and man, I couldn't take it.
Oh,
This,
spirit.
honestly,
It has a strong.
man. All right, let's
Yes.
have one of these ladies. Do you know it? You know it?
No,
Oh,
You know it?
I don't know.
You know it? All right, so let's
Just
let's.
a little.
I'm
Just
sure
a
you-
little. Just a little
This
scent
is
you
spirit
want.
weed, guys.
You know, so-
Fitzweed, yes. Just break it and smell it. Just rub it and smell. Have her smell it. The Sherry's gonna smell it. Tell me what it smells. It smells like.
This is very strong.
yes.
What it smells like.
Smell bad.
Even,
All right.
Like,
even,
well-
even when it's dry.
Yeah. So it's,
Yeah, even when it's dry.
even when it's dressed like that. No, so it smells bad, and that's how we treat. That's how we deal with infections too, right? We deal with it bad.
Bad.
But I heard too, Mr. Broderick, that it's also in some parts of the world it's used as seasoning. Is that true?
yeah.
Well, quite
In
possible
Trinidad?
so.
My
Quite
sister
possible
uses
so.
it in Trinidad.
Right.
Oh, cool. Good.
Yes.
Right,
Because some
right.
of the things, even though we use it medicinal,
Yes.
it's used
Yes.
as
All right,
in
guys.
culinary purposes.
Yeah, so this is the, what we say the name again? Spirit weed. We call it spirit weed
Yeah,
here
yeah.
in Jamaica.
See
Yes,
there?
spirit weed. Yep, spirit weed. Yeah.
And this is nettle.
Oh, that's nettle.
Yes. That's
Wow.
that's the Canadian wood nettle.
Okay, this is nettle.
Yes, this one.
All right.
This one.
Good. That's nettle. Thank
Yeah.
you. I'm learning a lot, guys. So I know about some herbs, but this Mr. Broderick
So-
here is taking us
so-
to a different dimension. What is this? Tell me about this. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
This one?
Yeah, this is. Let me guess again. This
Yes.
is. This is the one that we use to make. It's turmeric.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't realize it was
Turmeric.
turmeric. Sorry, I didn't.
Yeah,
I should have known. This is
yeah.
turmeric, guys. This is turmeric. We did a
Someone
turmeric
look at the
video.
name. Someone look at the name, you know, and see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa, this is turmeric.
Turmeric,
Yep.
yeah.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I should have known this. I had actually did a turmeric video. There's a link in the description, guys, for the turmeric video if you want to see that. Turmeric and turmeric itself has a host of other powerful health benefits
Yes. Oh yes.
as well.
So much.
All
This
right.
is the one that everyone knows as Ruella tuberosa, but it's called Duppy gun.
Ah,
Duppy gun.
all right. This is the one they use a lot in herb in what they call them in stamina blends in.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. The
Roots blend.
Right.
Yes, yes.
Right.
Now I know,
It has
now-
a powerful root.
Wow.
Yes.
Duppy gun.
Duppy gun.
That's what we call it in Jamaica. It says
Yes.
it's Ruella tuberosa.
Yes.
Ah, good for flu, remedy
But
inflammation.
You see,
So it's a
these things
cleanser.
burst. Yeah, these things burst like a gun.
Whoa.
They pop. So that's why it's Duppy gun.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Ah, what is this?
This one now is what they call the piaba.
Piaba.
Woman piaba, man piaba.
Yeah.
That's epic pectinata.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's that good for?
again,
Got to be something for
women.
women.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So for menopause,
Yes.
they treat
Okay.
menopause and
Yes,
so
yes.
forth.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
That's a new one. That's a new one for me.
Yes.
All right. And we.
Well, you see turmeric already.
Oh, okay. The turmeric.
But
All right.
this
So the
one
turmeric
now-
again, guys. And
Yeah.
turmeric, I spoke about
Yes.
already. I already mentioned that it's a link is in the description. Alzheimer's and cancer, powerful anti-inflammatory and oxidant.
You see, at Taste of Jamaica, we produce all these
Yeah.
herbs. Well, this is also used as a spice, you know.
Yes,
Not only
yes,
herbs,
yes,
herbs
yes.
and spices.
Yes,
Yeah, we
yes.
produce all of these.
Yes.
And these are of the same family.
Yeah.
As you can notice.
Yes.
They are together.
But what
you
is
know
that?
what this one?
No idea. Oh, arrowroot.
Arrowroot.
No, well, the
You
label
see?
gave it away.
Yeah.
I saw the label. I wasn't surprised.
Yes.
All right,
Arrowroot.
arrowroot, guys. Arrowroot. You
No,
remember
this
that
is
one?
It's a clear tuber like carrot.
Yeah.
Most people I
Yes.
don't know. You see, carrot. A lot of people didn't know that carrot wasn't like that in its original form.
Yeah.
That was done by men.
Oh.
With the color.
Yeah.
Putting that color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was clear.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Carrot didn't have that color.
Okay.
Yeah, that was done in a lab.
All right.
Yes. And then you have the
Ginger.
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 You
All
see?
right. For those of you who
Yeah.
don't know, those of you who use ginger a lot,
Yes.
this is what ginger looks like. That's a leaf, obviously, on the stem coming up. But the ginger, the root itself,
Yeah, so all these plants are root plants.
root plants.
Yes.
Okay.
All root
And ginger.
plants.
So just tell us. Well, I know a little bit about ginger, but what is
yeah.
ginger good for?
Well, it has, as you can see, the benefits here. Reducing gas and improving digestion.
Yeah.
You see, relieving nausea, easing up cold and flu. Yes, relieving pain.
Yeah.
It is, or it has lots
Multiple
of yes.
benefits. And I know that Jamaican ginger
Yes.
has something about
Oh,
it.
it's very
too.
powerful.
Yeah.
Than yes.
Most of the places.
Yes, a small piece of Jamaican ginger
Yeah.
will compare to a huge piece.
In terms of the benefits.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
What is this? What is this here? What is this? This is like leaf of life. But that's not the
Yes.
one I know.
No.
This
it's
is the one I know.
Yes.
All right. So tell me
Yes.
about this one
You see,
and then that one.
it's the Brazilian. These are original from Brazil.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
Brazilian. It's the same.
Yeah,
They're
same family.
basically used. Yes, they're basically used for the same purpose. Yes, but it's originally from Brazil.
Okay.
And look, you can see it catches water here. It likes water. So it's called sayo. See?
Sayo.
Yeah.
So
Calancho.
there's 3 different varieties here.
Calancho brasiliensis.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is one.
Yes.
is
That
two.
one is the ear plant. It's called the ear plant.
Oh, this is not leaf of life.
Bryophyllum. Yeah, it's
Same family.
yes.
Okay.
Same family.
Yes.
It's Bryophyllum pinnatum. But they're all
Same family.
same family.
Lovely. And all the and a lot of I know leaf of life. We use leaf of life
Yes.
for colds.
Yes. You just have to wrap some leaf in a clean cloth and
Squeeze.
get the juice out.
Yeah.
And you take that.
Right, cool.
You don't have to do more than that.
All right. We usually drink that with honey.
Yes, that's because the taste isn't that
Okay.
wonderful.
Oh, that's the reason.
So that's
for
why
it.
they drop a little honey in it.
I see.
So that because the taste isn't wonderful.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is
Madam Fate.
Madam Fate.
Hyperbroma longiflora. Madam Fate.
Oh man.
And see, various cultures have used this. Yeah.
What is that for?
It is used to treat wounds.
Okay. As
So
a
you-
rub,
Yes.
poultice kind of thing.
Right.
Okay.
But it has other even venereal disease.
All right.
They use it to treat.
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, this is a rare fern. Kalawala.
Kalawala. All right. Now this is an interesting one.
Yes.
People have asked me about this
Uh,
Kalawala. This is not.
yes.
Is this the same one that
a-
will grow on the side of the road?
no.
Okay.
No. If it was, that would be real good.
Yeah.
But it's
It's a special one.
Yes, it's
All
not.
right.
It's not.
Kalawala.
You don't see this one grow.
And what is
So,
this good for?
It's been used as a natural food supplement and treatment for
All of those.
psoriasis, vitiligo, lupus.
Yes, yes, yes. All of that stuff.
Yes.
All right. Anti-radicals, clean blood, protect brain,
Yes.
skin, treat skin condition. This is the old Kalawala. All right.
Yes.
Donkey weed.
Yes. Donkey weed.
That's the donkey weed. It's not so popular. It's here, right?
No, not anywhere. You don't find a lot of these plants. You don't find them anywhere.
Okay.
Yes.
Donkey weed, guys. Donkey weed. Good
Yes.
for.
It's used for feeding cattle and goats,
Yeah.
sheep, pigs. Yeah, they use it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
but
but
it's also
it's-
using roots tonic.
And carry. It's used for cuts as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wormwood.
Yes, that's a very
Is this
very
it?
bitter one.
Where is it?
It's
Where is
very
it?
bitter. This one.
This one, wormwood. Yeah.
It's
So that's like a cleanser as well.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It's
All right.
It's a bitters.
All right. So I see you have here loss of appetite, upset stomach, gallbladder disease, street fever, liver disease, muscle pain, memory. I need some of that. Memory loss. All of that stuff. Another tonic. Good. This is wormwood. Okay. So these are mints.
Mint. Yes. Tulsi. This one is called Tulsi.
Uh-huh.
Or holy basil.
Holy basil.
Holy basil.
All right. Holy basil, guys. Holy basil.
So you can you smell this and you see.
I know that smell. I know that smell. All right.
You know that smell?
Yep.
Oh, holy basil.
Holy basil. You
Yeah.
said good for
It normalizes
normalize blood pressure and
yes.
cholesterol.
Right.
Over cough and da.
Right.
Well, you know, you can drink it. You can.
Yes, you just make a cup of tea.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay,
and
good.
This is a good old peppermint. You all know the peppermint, so yeah.
I know this. This is
Right.
okay. So this is the one that everybody in Jamaica has in their backyard.
Right.
At least the old people, right?
Right. Peppermint. Yeah.
Including me. Good. So that's a peppermint.
Have a wonderful
Old time
scent.
Jamaican peppermint, guys.
And this is a peanut plant. Peanut.
Is it? You mean peanut? Is it actual peanut?
Peanut.
Oh,
yes,
so it's a
yes,
peanut.
Yes.
All right. So for those who don't know, peanut grows underground.
Yes.
All right. So
It
that's
grows underground. It has a little flower.
Yes,
See there?
yes,
But the peanuts come underground. Peanut underground.
all right.
You just dig it. Or
Pull
you,
it up.
You just pull it up.
Pull it up.
And they will be hanging onto it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is an interesting plant. What is this?
This one, I'm not sure. Maybe you're sure that most people might know.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well,
Yeah.
guys, let me know what you think
But
about this
it's
one.
yeah, it's a very
The
special
herb man doesn't
plant.
know what this is. Right.
But this one,
Yeah.
this one, let me see if you can tell me what this one is.
All right. So,
Smell. You have to get a smell. And you
so
tell
Sherry's
me.
gonna be my tester. So Sherry, go.
Yeah.
So go ahead, Sherry. This smells really nice, though.
It smells really nice.
Yeah, man.
Tell me what it is.
You, Sherry, go ahead and smell.
Tell me.
Peppermint, something. It smells like, tastes like
What
mint.
is it? Come on.
Spearmint.
Spearmint.
All right,
Ah.
spearmint. I love it though. It has nice smell.
Spearmint.
So this is black. Is it the same one they call black mint?
No.
All right.
Spearmint.
Spearmint. This is
Yes,
spearmint,
spearmint.
guys. Spearmint.
Spearmint.
All right. Hold your hand. Can I get piece, Mister? How should I should use?
Wait, come, take this.
All right. Okay.
You can take this back home with you.
All right.
Okay, now. You smell that one? You smell that one and
That's
you say spearmint?
Uh-huh.
Well, this one now is black mint. Smell it and you'll see the difference.
Yeah.
You see? Totally different.
That's minty. That's more minty to me.
Yes.
All right. So that's a
But
black
they
mint.
look alike. Yeah, they look alike.
Uh-huh.
You see? They look
That's
alike.
black mint.
But that's black mint.
And this
that's
is spearmint. That's the difference.
There is
All right.
The scent
Yeah.
totally different.
Totally different. This now is, what is it?
Loofah gourd.
Loofah gourd.
Yeah.
Ah.
Loofah gourd.
It's not Jamaican. That doesn't sound Jamaican, man.
It is used in the spas, various spas, you know, that's what they use to rub your body.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So you dry it.
Okay.
And this is the famous pepper elder.
Pepper elder.
Yes, pepper elder.
All right.
You see, it's a spice,
Yeah.
but this is good when you drink too much and wake up in the morning.
Yeah.
You have some of this to drink, you know,
Yeah.
for the hangover.
Yeah.
It's
That's
very
good for
that.
Oh, so pepper elder.
Pepper elder.
All right. Good for hemorrhoids, gout, renal disorders, acid reflux, treat fevers, juice extract from the plant to believe to have low blood cholesterol, treat skin disorders, acne, boils, all kind of stuff. Pepper elder.
Pepper elder.
All right. I know it was a popular maroon plant. I mean, used by the maroons a lot.
Look at
That was
this one.
Hold on. So what's it? Hold on a second.
See?
They look close.
They look close.
So what is this one?
They're totally different.
What is this one now?
This one is the Cardoncillo Negro.
Mm-hmm.
Cardoncillo Negro. Is the name?
Yes. What's the difference?
The difference, a lot of difference.
This one Duppy.
Right. It's round up.
All right, Keith, you do this.
See?
You do that now, man.
You smell that. It won't. That one won't have any scent. See?
What?
It almost
Almost.
smells like sugar cane or something near to that.
Yes. Nothing like that one.
Okay. All right.
Totally different.
All right. Good. And similar benefits. Well, it's traditional.
No.
Wounds, skin boils, infections, and diarrhea. All right.
Different.
All right. Good. All right. What else you have here? Social distance.
We have this one. Most people know this one.
Is that's not, oh, what's that one?
Yes.
I know this one, but
You know
help
this
me
one?
now. Are you help?
Jack in the bush.
Jack in the bush. Oh, Jack in the bush.
Jack in the bush. No, Jack in the bush. So most people know the Jack
in the bush, guys. Jack in the bush.
Chrysanthemum.
Oh, this is not a. Oh, okay, it's a flower.
Yeah.
All right. So tell them quickly about the Jack in the bush. What is it?
Oh, this is a popular tea in the countryside, you know.
Okay.
Make a
Tea as well?
nice tea. Yes.
Okay, good.
Very
All right.
good.
All right. And this one, no, I know this one.
You know this one?
This is Search Me Heart.
Yeah, otherwise known as Ritidiophyllum
Aha.
tomentosum.
Yeah, has a nice
Yes.
aroma.
Aroma, yes.
Yes.
Nice
all right.
aroma.
Let me see what it's good for. Let me share. Here.
It's for the heart problem, you know. Yes.
Search Me Heart. Oh, so it's good
Yes.
for heart.
Yes.
General. Okay, that's its name.
Yes.
Asthma, congestion, all them kind of stuff. Okay. Treasure of Jamaica. Search Me Heart, guys. Let me. I want to take some close-ups, so just in case one of them we must get one.
No, this is the one that this is the one now that goes well with the strong back root out there.
All right. So for the root tonic, this is the whole
Medina,
man.
and along with the Medina is the strong back leaf. So this is the strong back leaf.
I know this one.
Right.
This one, I know this one. Yeah.
Right.
So that's a strong back.
Right.
Strong back, guys.
This Modia.
Medina.
And you can't leave out the mimosa.
Shima Maka.
Shima, yes.
All right. So those who don't know, show them for me what happens when you touch it. Look, guys, look closely.
See, it goes to sleep.
Goes to sleep. When you touch it, it goes to sleep. Amazing.
It will be
It's almost like it have a brain on its own.
It will be awake in about 5 minutes or so.
But the minute you touch it again, it's gonna
Go back to sleep.
go back to sleep.
Yes, but all those three herbs are
root tonic.
right.
Powerful root tonic.
Root tonic.
Antibacterial, aphrodisiac.
Right.
Treatment of all kind of stuff. Piles,
Yes.
sinus, all kind of good stuff. All right. So this is a Medina. Medina here, guys. Medina. The Shema Maka and the Strongback. No, what is this?
This is marigold.
So
don't confuse them. Marigold. Marigold.
So it's marigold different from marigold.
Right.
All right. Okay. Good.
Yes.
Good. All right.
So you can see the spelling is different.
Marigold. Okay. Good.
Yes.
Good.
And as you can see, the uses
Benefits,
are different.
Yes.
For this than the marigold.
Okay. Good.
And it's very good for diabetes. Very good for diabetes.
Good. All right. Good. Moving along the herb tour, guys. Moving along the herb tour, we have now the
Red water grass.
red water grass.
Yes.
Very popular. I didn't know that red water grass was so good until a friend of mine reached out to me asking for red water grass. Lower blood sugar, control diabetes.
Right.
Yeah.
That's
powerful and treat diabetic ulcers.
right.
All right, that's the red water grass.
Red
You know
water
it. Now you know. All right, no.
Here we have up here. This is a onion.
Onion.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's a scallion. That's green
So,
onion.
hold on, which is the onion?
This one is the onion.
They look the same to me.
Yeah, they look the same, but
Oh, so you have to pull up the onion. Well, you pull them both out the ground.
Yeah.
But the onion has a
this-
bigger bottom.
This grow
Round. The scallion
And that-
is longer.
and the thyme.
So you have the seasoning here.
Yes.
Popular Jamaican seasoning. The onion,
Thyme and scallion.
scallion, thyme. Each of them has their own
Flavor.
and benefits. Red sorrel.
Right.
All right, this is the red sorrel. The red sorrel now popular at Christmas time here in Jamaica.
Yes.
All right, that's the red sorrel. So not blooming yet. Do we expect some?
It starts to bloom. Look, it starts. See them here?
Okay.
It starts.
So okay.
So
So
by the
by
next
Christmas?
month, Christmas they will be full.
all right, good.
Yes.
All right, this is vanilla. Come on, I'm interested in this one, man. What is this one?
Oh, that's the vanilla bean.
Is this real vanilla?
Yes. That's,
As what we know as vanilla, this is vanilla.
Yes.
I would never guess.
Yes.
So this is vanilla, guys. So it's actually a
Yeah,
like a floor. What is this?
It's gonna run. It goes up.
Okay.
And grows a bean.
It grows
Vanilla
bean.
come from a bean, you know.
Really? I didn't know that. All right. So this is young, so we won't see the bean.
No.
It's the same. This is the same thing.
Yes.
All right, guys. So this is vanilla. Vanilla. For those of you who didn't know, it actually grows. So this it's a approved agent. You said for traditional medicine includes fever, spasms, dysmenorrhea, blood clotting, and gastrointestinal distress. Of course, we use vanilla as spice, popular spice.
You just get it as a
Yep.
spice, but you have to use it in this form.
Yes. Okay, cool.
Yes.
All right.
Does the leaf smell like vanilla?
Yes.
No. What is this?
That's a little bunny.
Cooling out, the body cooling out here. These are part of the tour. All right, no, all right. Cindy, hi Cindy. All right, I see castor beans.
Oh yes.
Lots of them.
There used to be a lot.
All right, so this is so what we saw earlier was just the snippet. This is where everything is grown abundant now. Some more scallion. More thyme, guys. More thyme here. More scallion. Corn. That's corn, right?
No.
Is that corn?
No. That's coprum. That's to feed the chickens.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
They make chicken feed from that.
All right. Interesting.
Yes.
All right. No. Fever grass.
Oh yeah.
Fever grass abundant. Wow. Fever grass. And this is
Sweet sop.
sweet sop.
Yes.
Sweet sop.
Some people call it sugar apple.
Yeah.
Sugar apple.
Oh, sweet sop.
This one is almost mature.
Yeah, not ready yet. Almost. We'll come another week when I get it, right?
Yeah, that one, yeah.
All right. Pineapple, guys. Pineapple.
When I would see pineapples.
Pineapples.
We have,
I see apple over there. There's an apple tree there.
we have pineapple on the bottom, you know.
And this is
Is this custard apple? No, that's pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
Oh, this
Pomegranate.
Is pomegranate.
It bursts.
you can pick it, you know.
Pick it.
Pick it.
Oh gosh, I'm dying to eat one of these.
Pomegranate. All right.
It's mature.
I love it.
All right. So that's pomegranate.
Would you believe it? It's the first one it bear.
Wow.
Oh,
We're right on time, man. That's ours, Terry.
The first.
But this is a mountain sop tree, right?
Yes.
Mountain sop. It's a baby
That
tree.
is a mountain sop.
It's not quite ready yet, guys, but that's mountain sop. I know some of this stuff.
Sour sop.
This is soursop, of course. Soursop tree. All right.
Custard apple.
Custard apple tree here.
okay.
All right. And this is cocoa.
Right.
This is cocoa. Actually, there's more than cocoa here. We have cabbage.
Cabbage.
One over head up here.
Cabbage. All right. Cabbage. All right. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lovely head of cabbage. And it, that's cabbage.
And this is Spanish needle.
Yes.
This is one of the has the most antibacterial properties.
Spanish needle.
Spanish needle.
Lovely, lovely,
Yes.
lovely, lovely. Spanish nigga, guys. Callaloo!
And that's-
Fat, lovely callaloo. What
And
do you
that's
think
romaine
about
lettuce.
that?
That's romaine lettuce, you know.
This one,
Yes, but these are here to make seed to replant.
romaine lettuce, romaine lettuce.
Yes. And this is lovely
Beetroot,
beetroot.
beetroot.
Yes.
Fresh out the ground,
Fresh out the
beetroot.
ground.
Beetroot, good, good. This. I know this. This is Naseberry, right? Naseberry plant here. Naseberry baby plant here, guys. Corn. Young corn plants here coming up. More Spanish needle. Yep. Guava. It's a Lascelle.
Yes.
It's a normal stuff, sir.
Well,
More guava.
Guava is.
Guava.
See, guava is indigenous to us, you know. So
Really?
if you don't know guava, then something would be wrong. Yeah.
Is there a bird's nest here?
Yeah, it looks to me like
A bird nest.
Come, take this.
Yep, that's a bird nest. Oh, that's a bird nest, guys. That's how the bird nest. Woo! Let's see what's in there. Oh, we're not gonna trouble it. We're not gonna leave it. But that's a bird's nest. Cool. All right, guys, and that's a pear tree over there. You can see it's on a pear tree, mango, a little mango. It's outside there, and this is a almond tree. Almond tree. I don't see any almonds on it. As not yet. It's, yes. All right. Almond tree. A little mango tree here. And what is this again, Mr.? John Charles. What is John Charles herb? All right, John Charles herb. John Charles herb, guys. And again, more soursop plant. This is soursop here. More guava here. More soursop here. Oh, you get one? All right, this is a soursop plant here again. And there is a fruit now. There is a fruit on it. Soursop here. Soursop. Almond. We have one here.
Yeah, this one has.
All right, good. Almond. All right, and this is more. It's another soursop tree. So you plant these trees
mainly for the leaf.
mainly for the leaf. Really? Interesting.
Yeah.
I was gonna say you plant it for the soursop, but you plant it for the leaf.
Yes.
So the soursop is bonus.
Yes.
By the way, guys, remember, if you're finding any value in this video, you're learning anything, if anything is insightful to you, and you're interested in more of this kind of stuff, remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss any of my future videos. We're continuing the tour. Hold on, Mr. Lascelle, hold on. Oh, don't trouble that one yet? All right, so this is pineapple, banana plant here. I see Naseberry here again. This is a Naseberry tree. The Naseberry leaf as well yourself? For the Naseberry?
No.
Oh, the Naseberry, okay.
That is planted for the fruit.
Planted for the fruit. Planted for the fruit, all right? We're following Mr. Lascelle here, guys. This
one have more cherry.
all right, so this now is, who want to guess what this is? Don't tell them, Mr. Lascelle, don't tell them. What is this, guys? For those who said coffee, you're correct. It's coffee, old traditional Jamaican coffee. Coffee, look at it. This is what the world craves for from Jamaica. Jamaican coffee. All right, beautiful coffee.
Ready to read.
Ready to read. This is how it looks. This is the green one here. This is the ripe one here. Coffee. More fever grass. What is this now?
These pepper. You call them spoil pot.
Spoil pot.
Yes.
What do you mean? Too hot for the pot?
Too hot.
All right. So what kind of pepper is it?
It's a type of Scotch bonnet, you know. But it's the brown one.
Okay.
I mean, very flavorful. Very flavorful.
This is the one I see they sell in the market. It's a taste and buy.
Right.
Is this a regular? This is.
Yes.
This is this is a different flowering plant.
Yes.
Okay.
All flowers.
Oh, all flowers. Beautiful. Guys, on the tour with Mr. Lascelle, the herb tour. All right. No. What about this one, man? Susumba. How can you pass this Susumba, Mr. Lascelle, man? This is, I know this one that we use it. I mean, traditional, historic. Well,
You eat the beans.
eat the beans.
They call it gumma.
Eat the beans.
Yes,
Old
beans.
time people used to cook it
Yes.
with saltfish and stuff like that.
There's a proverb that goes with this.
Proverb that goes with Susumba. Susumba, guys. For those of you who remember Susumba, see it there? Yes, and more castor beans. These bananas,
The red bananas.
red banana, they're huge, they're tall.
Yes,
this-
generally like that.
Another maho here. And I see some papaya in the background. Wow, impressive. One more thing, Mr. Lascelle. Yeah, man. How can you forget this? How can you forget this?
Yes.
How can you forget this, Mister? This is one of Jamaica's most powerful, most popular spice. It's a pimento. It's a secret to our jerk.
Yes, the
Pimento. There's no seed on it right now, but the leaves itself are also powerful.
You see, the crop is over from the end of August. You hardly find any more pimento.
Yes.
Yeah, one crop per year.
Yes.
One crop per year. But the scent, awesome.
Very aromatic. Yes, man.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes. Powerful.
wonderful.
That's the pimento tree, guys. The pimento tree. Let me ask you, Mr. Lascelle. This, if I remember correctly, we used to, when these things ripe, we burst it and suck it, right?
Yes.
You can still do it?
Yes, the coffee is a fruit, you know.
Yeah.
People don't know. You just burst it and you just...
Okay. Sweet.
Very sweet. And here is the coffee beans.
Yes. Oh, so after you suck it,
You get the
beans. So that's the bean that is
and
dried.
this is what is dried.
Yes.
And roasted.
Yes.
And
Cool. Coffee again, guys. Lovely. Look at that. That is beautiful. Coffee. Jamaican coffee. That's what it looks like before it's grounded. More coffee. So, this is plantain, Mr. Lascelle.
yes,
All right. And you said that everything here is organic,
organic.
meaning no whole heap of fertilizer, no chemical stuff.
Right.
In fact, these here are actually dried leaves and stuff that you
Put on, cover the...
pick up and you use it to mulch.
Yes.
Good going, man.
Yes. This is our local orange now.
All right.
This one here. This one is, you see the fruit on it?
Yes.
That's the Artenique.
Oh, that's the one that we made.
Yes.
All right.
That's the Jamaican.
Pull it down a little bit.
That's the
All right. So guys, there's a little history of Artenique.
Yes.
Artenique, I don't know if you know, it's actually a cross between orange and tangerine.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That is unique.
To Jamaica.
That was made in Jamaica. That's it.
Yes.
That's the baby there. That's it. Artenique. Thank you.
It's a very nice juice.
Yes.
It's nicer than the regular orange juice.
Yeah. But, well, it has tangerine in there.
Yes.
Dandelion. Hold on.
Oh yes, dandelion.
Yeah, man. We can't miss dandelion.
Oh,
Dandelion.
See.
Dandelion. All right. Great dandelion here, guys. Dandelion.
That's Java plum. You can see them up there.
What do you mean? I don't know it, you know.
Java plum.
Can be, what do you
the people call it Ribena.
It's Ribena? Oh! That's the one that advertised Ribena goodness and you give you energy and stuff?
Yeah.
Take some of that to me right now, man. Thank you.
It's not a sweet fruit, you know.
I know, but it gives you energy, right?
It's not a sweet
It's kind of tarty.
Come, go ahead and pick it, Keish.
Pick the purple one.
Oh, wow.
Ribena!
Yes, Sherry.
All right, we're having a fun time here. Pick some more,
Up here.
Oh,
Careful not to break.
It's not a break, man.
Oh, see here.
It's a very,
gosh.
it's a very flexible tree.
This could make drink, right?
Yeah, we make drinks. Yes, very strong drink.
All right.
Very strong drink.
All right, who can jump? Oh. All right, so that's Ribena.
Yes.
So you have both native and Jamaican stuff as well as exotic Jamaican plants and stuff here.
Right.
Lovely.
Now down here.
Oh, there's more?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
All right. This is a full tour, guys. A full tour.
This is the Indian Barrage.
Indian Barrage, also called the Mexican Mint. Cures respiratory issues, treats fevers, anxiety, skincare, anti-cancer potential, improves kidney health, irritable bowel movement, beneficial for females, reduce arthritis, and improve your vision. Wow.
And it's good for your soups and sauces. So
Wonderful.
Smell it.
Lovely. So how do you use it though for all of these? So apart from the soup, how do you use it? You dry it as well?
You know, when we dry it, and we send it to the various places, them extract all that they can extract.
Wow.
Yeah,
So you dry it and send it?
Yeah.
You ground it as well?
If they want it.
If they want it ground.
If they want it ground. That's a tangerine.
Tangerine, and there's a bird's nest in there. But the birds seem to love your
Oh yes.
plant, the place here, man.
But It's not only that, like, it's the first I see birds from business in the pineapple tree.
Whoa.
The famous tea tree.
What do you mean? This one?
Yeah. That's
The tea tree.
So when you hear about tea tree oil, tea
This
tree,
is tea tree as in tea tree oil?
yes.
Wow.
It's very good for hair.
Good for hair?
This is, come, smell this. And then you have to take the mask off, you know, because, smell it.
Yeah, this smells like hair products.
Oh, so you have tea tree here. Oh, cool.
Smell it.
Cool. Tea tree, guys. Tea tree. All right. Cool. All right. So there was something else I wanted to. Oh, yeah, here.
Pepper, there's a pepper there.
This is
That's a Joe Long pepper.
what do you call
Joe
it?
Long.
Joe Long pepper.
Yeah.
All right. That's party. All right. Good, good, good. What do you call this again?
They call this bush cabbage.
Bush cabbage.
Yeah.
All right. Bush cabbage. Bush cabbage, guys, part of the.
Very
I'm eating the dried bean as you hear it. Sorry about that. That's the bush cabbage.
Yeah.
All right. More callaloo. There's some beans. You have the Jerusalem peas here?
No.
We don't have that.
No in Jerusalem.
Curry
We
tree.
have cowpeas instead.
Okay.
But this is a curry tree.
Oh. Beautiful patch of
Pineapples.
pineapple.
You see? The crop over, but these are starting to come again.
All right. There's one here. There's one. Of course, we have to take this one, guys. There's a pineapple here. This makes
bigger one down here. You can see a bigger one down there.
pineapple. You.
Yeah,
Good, good, good. So you. Well, obviously, you don't sell the pineapple. Well, you don't export the pineapple.
No, no.
Okay.
Pineapple,
All
when
right.
people come here,
Yeah.
they
Let's get them
just,
pineapple
they just
to eat.
eat pineapple.
All right. All right. But you don't have none for us now.
No,
obviously.
no.
All right.
Sorry about that. You
This
come
is
out of the-
no problem, man. We can come back. That's a
Right.
plantain.
Well, plantain you can get.
Plantain over there, guys.
You can
That's
get plantain.
that's yam.
Yams.
What kind of yam is that, mister?
A different type. You have yellow yam there, and you have loose yam,
Uh-huh.
and you have one they call hard yam.
Uh-huh.
It's a white yam.
All kind of yam.
And you
And I see pumpkin over there
Yes.
growing on the
pumpkins,
floor there.
Yes.
All right. Good, 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 good. Good stuff,
Well,
good stuff, good
pumpkin,
stuff,
we
good stuff.
We sell pumpkin.
This is the pepper, the bird pepper, guys. Bird pepper. Them say it good for good for blood pressure. Bird pepper. All right. More sorrel, more cane, cinnamon, more castor oil beans or castor beans. And this is a jackfruit tree. The baby one here, jackfruit. Jackfruit tree. Yep. Wow. This is king of the forest. King of the forest. All right. More dandelion. More king of the forest. More king of the forest. King of the forest. Noni. Look at this. Noni. Powerful noni. This one is on the ground here. Noni. Wow. Love it. Woo. So, Kish,
Yes.
what have you learned? What was eye-opening at this tour, herb tour?
The curry tree,
Uh-huh.
the vanilla plant,
Uh-huh.
seeing tea tree up close.
Tea tree, eh?
Yes. And that fruit, this one.
Ribena.
Yeah.
The Ribena.
Yeah, I've had a
Wow.
few.
Yep,
Yeah.
yep. All
Those are
right.
the best.
Lovely.
And I also see a purple anthurium right over there, which I actually like.
Sure.
The loofah, I really like the loofah tree. He said that you can dry it and then you can use it to shower.
Yes.
The loofah. Ah.
And I haven't seen the white sorrel in a long time.
Uh-huh.
And so I really like seeing that. And the Christmas tree.
The Christmas tree. Ah, love
Oh,
it.
and the rabbits, they're not here
Ah.
right now.
All right. All right. Oh, guys, I want to hear from you. What jumped out at you? I want to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. All right, guys. So, Mr. Lascelle is going to cut a plantain. He's going to cut a plantain. I want to capture that, to share that with you. This plantain is probably about 20 feet, right? About 20 feet.
Close.
Yep, all right. All right. Planting time. Ready for the world. All right, look at that. It looks like it's food time, guys. The Lascelle is cutting food for us. We have sugar cane now. That's the local one. That's the one. We don't. It's not for the sugar. It's just for
munching.
Munching, they call it.
Yes.
All right.
See?
All right. Yeah, man. The teeth still work. Sweet.
So this is your one, you know?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, this way.
So this is lunchtime.
Yes.
All right. All right.
Oh no!
Oh, so this is the taste of Jamaica for real, guys. I'm not leaving him. I'm walking with him. I'm walking with him. So, Mr. Lascelle, amazing place you have here, man. Let me ask you. So it's a full tour you offer.
Yes.
So let me ask you, if there's somebody who is interested in contacting you or to learn more about the fruits and the herbs and stuff, the stuff that you have here, how do they reach out? How do they reach you?
Well, there's the website, you know, and any information can go to info@tasteofjamaica.com.
Oh, do you have a number that they could reach you at?
Yes, it's 892-8606 or 404-5548.
And of course,
And
we're in
you know,
Jamaica, so it's 876.
876.
All right, so say that again.
892-8606 or 404-5548.
Lovely. All the best, man. Thank you for the food. Food is looking good, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is lunch. This is lunch at the Taste of Jamaica Tour. This looks like ackee and saltfish. This looks like jerk chicken. This looks like festival.
Yeah.
And this is all the old nigga yam, I think.
Yes,
Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the experience. Thank you for the tour. We love it. That's it, guys. A herb tour, the ultimate herb tour. I learned a lot. The tea tree, the curry tree, all kind of new stuffs. I want to hear from you though. What did you learn? Drop a comment down below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, remember, I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these, the real Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way, you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. This is the real Jamaica.